Down at Stony Point, where the memories start. Andrew and Debbie with a love so smart. Lee and Donna, managers with a spark, making every stay feel like a walk in the park. Good day, Australia, where the stories flow. From the boat ramp to the jetty, the good times grow. Phillip and Ferry, seagulls in the sky, when Andrew and Debbie watch the moments fly. The kids feeding the birds, laughter and joy, it's the sweetest we've heard. Lee's got the fire pit ready each night. Stony Point magic, everything feels right. Good day, Australia, where the stories flow. From the boat ramp to the jetty, the good times grow. Phillip and Ferry, seagulls in the sky, when Andrew and Debbie watch the moments fly. Glow, lift the sweetest spirits higher. Donna's friendly smile, welcoming each day. Stony Point Caravan Park, come and stay. Good day, Australia, where the stories flow. From the boat ramp to the jetty, the good times grow. Phillip and Ferry, seagulls in the sky, when Andrew and Debbie watch the moments fly. Thanks to Lee for the warmth of the fire. Every evening glow, lifting the spirits higher. Donna's friendly smile, welcome each day. Stony Point Caravan Park, come to the stars so bright. So tune into our channel and join the fun. Good day, Australia, adventures for everyone. With a fire pit ready and seagulls in flight. Stony Point magic, everything feels right.